Hello, welcome back to our tutorial series on Xcode Cloud and CI/CD processes. Today, you will learn how to change the build number. As shown in the screenshot, you can change the build number to any value, but there is something you can't do, and I will explain and adjust later in this guide. To update the build number, navigate to Apple Connect and select your app. Once done, from there, go to Xcode Cloud, Setting, Build Number. Here, you have the options to edit the build number for the next build. Click on Edit, and I'm going to update ours to 30. And then save the changes. But what happens if we try to reset the build number to 1 or set it to a number smaller than the current build? Let's find out. It turned out that you can't do this because the build numbers must always increase. This requirement ensures each build remains uniquely identifiable and preserve a clear sequential development history. This limitation in Xcode Cloud contrasts with the manual deployment process where you might have more flexibility with build numbering. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to stay updated with more tips and tricks and guide to supercharge your development process, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on the notification bell